Hello students and happy new year. Now we are going to start accounting for not for profit organization or financial statements of not for profit organization. Okay? Not for profit organizations. Students, listen carefully. We have two organizations. First is profit earning organization. Profit earning organization, and second is not for profit organization. Not for profit organization. In short, we say NPO. Not for profit organization is NPO. Okay. In case of profit earning organization, the main objective of this organization is to earn profit only. Students, in case of profit earning organization, the main objective of this organization is to earn profit, so it is called profit earning organization. Sometimes it is called profit making organization. And in case of not for profit organization, the main objective of this organization is to render services to the public or to the members or to the people or to the society without aiming at profit. This is called not for profit organization or not profit making organization. Okay, students? Now we are going to discuss some differences between these two organizations. Here we go. Now, difference between profit earning organization and NPO. First difference, the main objective of profit earning organization is to earn profit only. The main objective of profit earning organization is to earn profit, but in case of NPO, the main objective of not for profit organization is to serve people, is to serve members, to provide services to the public without aiming at profit. Okay. Second difference on the second difference on the basis of fund. In profit earning organization, fund is known as owners fund or owners capital. Okay. In case of profit earning organization, fund is known as owners fund or owners capital, but in NPO, fund is known as capital fund or as donation, subscription, surplus. Okay. Third difference, in profit earning organization, the operational result of this organization is known as net profit or net loss. It means the operational result of not sorry the operational result of profit earning organization is known as net profit or net loss, but in case of not for profit or profit organization, the operational result is known as surplus or deficit. Okay. Now, on the basis of financial statement, the financial statement of profit earning organization include trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. But in NPO or the financial statements of not for profit organization include receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. In other words, in profit earning organization, financial the components of financial statements are trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. And in NPO, the components of financial statements include receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Okay. Now we have meaning of NPO or what is NPO. Students, the main objective of every business organization, is to earn profit. So all the business organizations are called profit making organizations. But on the other hand, some organizations which are called not for profit organization, and the main objective of not for profit organization is to render services to the public or to the people or to the society or to the members without aiming at profit. Okay. Now, meaning of NPO or meaning of not-for-profit organization. Not-for-profit organization refers to that organization which render services to the members or society and work for the promotion of charity, religion, education, literature, art and culture, etc. without aiming at profit. Not-for-profit organizations are those organizations which provide services to the public, which provides services to the society, which provides services to the members, and work for the promotion of charity, religion, education, literature, art, and culture. NPO promotes charity, religion, education, literature, art, and culture without aiming at profit. N- NPO includes some organizations like schools, colleges, temple, hospital. These are examples of not-for-profit organization. Okay. Now, some examples of NPO. Every educational institutions such as schools, colleges, every religious institutions such as temple, mosque, church, sports institutions such as sports club, gym, social institutions like hospital, library, professional institutions like chamber of commerce, trade unions, and also professional persons such as doctors, engineers, CA, lawyers. These are not for profit organizations. Okay. Now, next slide. Objectives of not for profit organization. First objective of not for profit organization is to provide service provide service to its members or group or the public at large without aiming at profit. First objective of NPO is to provide services to the members or to the public without aiming at profit. Second objectives of NPO is to work for the welfare of the society, religion, education, art, culture, and to promote. Second objective of NPO is to promote society or social religion, education, art, and culture, etc. Okay. Next topic we have features of not-for-profit organization. First feature of not-for-profit organization is not-for-profit organizations are established for the welfare and service of the society and their members. It means not-for-profit organizations are those organizations which are established for the welfare and service of the society and their members. Second feature of NPO. NPOs promote art, culture, religion, education, sports. NPOs don't operate with the objective of earning profit. It's provide they provide services to the public or to the society or to the members. Financial statements of NPO include receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Or NPOs prepare receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet in financial statements. The major source of income of NPO The major source of income of NPOs are subscription, donation, government grant. These are major source of incomes in NPO. Okay. Next, financial statements of NPO. Financial statements of NPO include first receipts and payment account, second income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Or the components of financial statement in NPO: first receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Okay. Now we are going to discuss receipts and payment account. First topic of receipts and payment account, meaning of receipts and payment account, or what is receipts and payment account. Students, receipts and payment account is the summary of all the cash transactions relating to a certain period or a particular period or a given period. Receipts and payment account is a summary of all the cash transactions relating to a given period or to a particular period or a ending period. All cash receipts and all cash payments, all cash receipts and all cash payments are recorded in receipts and payment account. So receipts and payment account is a summary of all cash receipts and all cash payments relating to a given period. There are two receipts. First is revenue receipts. Second is capital receipts. Revenue receipts means those receipts which are in recurring nature, or regular nature, For example, subscription received, for example, general donation received, interest received, locker rent received, entrance fee received. These are revenue receipts because they are in recurring nature. Second receipts, capital receipts. Capital receipts means those receipts which are in non-recurring nature or non-regular nature. Non-recurring or non-regular nature. For example, a special donation, a special subscription, life membership fee, legacy, sale of furniture, etc. These are capital receipts. Okay. Now there are two payments. First is revenue payment or revenue payments, and second is capital payments. Revenue payments means those payments which are in recurring nature, or regular nature. One second, students. So revenue payments means those payments which are in recurring nature or regular nature. For example, salary, wages, rent, printing, stationery, repair, etc. These are revenue payments. Now, capital payments are those payments which are in non-recurring nature or non-regular nature. Capital payments means those payments which are in non-recurring nature or non-regular nature. For example, building purchased, furniture purchased, investment, etc. These are capital payments. Then all cash receipts and all cash payments are recorded in receipts and payment account. So receipts and payment account is a summary of all the cash transactions and also all the bank transactions. Cash and bank transactions both are recorded in receipts and payment account. Then receipts and payment account is a summary of all the cash transactions relating to a given period. Second, receipts and payments account include all the cash transactions, so it is a real account or asset account. Third, receipts and payment account is a part of financial statement, so it is prepared at the end of the accounting year. Okay. Next, difference between receipts and payment account and cash book. Okay. First difference, on the basis of date, in receipts and payment account, entries are not made date wise. Okay. But in cash book, all entries are made date wise. Second difference on the basis of entries. In receipts and payment account, entries are made in classified form, but in cash book, entries are made in chronological order. Chronological order means in date wise. In cash book, entries are made in date wise. Third difference on the basis of period. Receipts and payment account is a part of financial statement, so it is prepared at the end of accounting year. And cash book is a part of journal or daily transactions, so it is recorded on daily basis. Now, on the basis of institutions, receipts and payment account is prepared by not for profit organizations, but cash book is prepared by all the organizations, whether profit earning organization or not for profit earning organization. Ledger folio. On the basis of ledger folio, students, in receipts and payment account, there is no separate column of ledger folio. But you remember, students, in class 11th, in cash book, the cash book has a separate column of ledger folio. Okay. In cash book, there is a separate column of ledger folio, but in receipts and payment account, there is no separate column of ledger folio. Okay. Next. Now, features of receipts and payment account. First feature, receipts and payment account. In receipts and payment account includes all the cash transactions, all the cash receipts, and all the cash payments, and it is prepared like a cash book. Receipts and payment account is the summary of all the cash and bank transactions, and all the cash receipts are recorded on the debit side of this account. First, we are going to draw the format of receipts and payment account. Listen carefully, students. Receipts and payments account. First, we write receipts and payment account of any club's name or organization's name. In bracket, we write for the year ended, ending date like 31st March 2023, 31st March 2024. In receipts and payments account, there are 4 columns. Left hand side receipts, amount. Right hand side payments and amount. Left hand side shows debit side, right hand side shows credit side. First, receipts and payment account start with opening balance, and we write on top as balance BD. If we have opening cash balance, so we write cash in hand. If we have opening bank balance of opening debit bank balance, so write cash at bank. These are opening balance of cash and bank. If opening overdraft is given, then we write in credit side on top by balance BD, cash at bank. This is opening overdraft. Opening balance of opening balance of bank, credit balance, that is overdraft. If opening balance of cash, then to balance BD, cash in hand. If opening balance of bank, then we write in debit on top to balance BD as cash at bank. If opening overdraft is given, then we write in credit on top as by balance BD, cash at bank. These are opening cash balance and opening bank balance. This is debit bank balance, and overdraft is credit bank balance. Okay. If bank debit balance, this is here. If credit balance of bank, this is overdraft given here. Okay. Now all receipts are recorded on debit side or receipt side. All receipts means revenue receipts recorded here, and to capital receipts. And in credit side, all payments are recorded. Payments are to revenue payments and by capital payments. Now you balance like cash book. In credit bottom we write by balance CD for balancing. If we start with cash in hand, then we close with cash in hand. If we start with cash at bank, then close with cash at bank. These are opening balances and these are closing balances, and this is the format of receipts and payment account. Okay, then all the cash receipts are recorded on the debit side of receipts and payment account, and all the cash payments are recorded on credit side of receipts and payment account. Receipts and payments account starts with opening balance of cash and bank or overdraft. See here, receipts and payment account starts with opening cash balance or bank balance, but if overdraft, the opening overdraft, then use here as by balance with the cash at bank. Okay, it does not record any non-cash transactions, any non-cash items such as depreciation. Receipts and payment account does not record any non-cash items such as depreciation, such as loss on sale of fixed assets, such as loss on sale of investment, outstanding expense, prepaid expense. All adjustment items, any adjustments item are not recorded in receipts and payment account. Okay, features done. Now next topic, limitations of receipts and payment account. First limitation of receipts and payment account. Receipts and payment account is prepared on cash basis, but our financial statement, but our accounting system is on the basis of accrual. This is the main limitation of receipts and payment account. Receipts and payment account is prepared on cash basis only, but our accounting system is based on accrual basis. Okay. Second limitation of receipts and payment account. Receipts and payment account does not show any operational result, means does not show surplus. Surplus means profit and deficit means loss. Second limitation of receipts and payment account. Receipts and payment account does not show any operational result. It means it does not show surplus or profit or deficit or loss. Okay, limitations done. Next slide, we have the format of receipts and payment account. First we write receipts and payment account of Royal Club. In bracket we write for the year in date 31st March 2023, and we draw 4 columns. Left hand side receipts amount, right hand side payments amount. Left hand side shows debit side, right hand side shows credit side. First, receipts and payment account start with opening balance. To balance BD, cash in hand, cash at bank, debit balance. Now all receipts, first revenue receipts are recorded on debit side. For example, subscription, general, donation, entrance fee, sale of newspaper, locker rent, interest, sale of sports material, charity shop proceeds. These are revenue receipts. Revenue receipts means those receipts which are in recurring nature. And all revenue receipts are recorded on debit side of receipts and payment account or receipt side of receipts and payment account. Now all capital receipts are recorded on debit side. For example, a special donation, a special subscription, life membership fee, legacy, sale of fixed assets, sale of investment. Capital receipts means those receipts which are in non-recurring nature. Now all payments, first revenue payments are recorded on credit side. For example, salary, wages, rent, rates, taxes, insurance, audit fee, printing, stationery, honorarium, advertisement, repair. These are revenue payments, and revenue payments are recorded on credit side. Now all capital payments are recorded on credit side. For example, land, building, furniture, investment, fixed deposit. These are capital payments. All payments like revenue payments and capital payments are recorded on credit side of receipts and payment account. Revenue payments mean those payments which are in recurring nature, and capital payments are those payments which are in non-recurring nature. Now we balance with cash in hand or with cash at bank. Okay. This is the format of receipts and payment account, and now we are going to solve first question of receipts and payment account. Here we go. First question 1A, from the following informations, prepare receipts and payments account of Royal Club Ranchi for the year ended 31st December 2023. And we have informations: cash on 1st Jan 2023. This is opening balance of cash. Subscription is revenue receipts. A specific donation or a special donation is capital receipt. Entrance fee, students, entrance fee, this is revenue receipt. Rent of hall, if organization has hall, then receive rent of hall, or rent of hall is receipt, revenue receipt. Electricity charge means we paid for electricity, this is revenue payment. Salary and wages paid to employee, this is revenue payment. Honorarium is also payment, revenue payment. Newspaper 2000 means we purchase newspaper for 2000, this is also revenue payment. Interest on bank deposit, if we have bank deposit, then we received interest, this is revenue receipt. Furniture purchased, capital payment. Miscellaneous expense, revenue payment. Expense is payment. Miscellaneous expense 10,000 means 10,000 is paid for miscellaneous expenses. Okay. This is the format, and receipts and payment account is prepared on the basis of this format. Okay. What is the requirement? Prepare receipts and payment account. First we draw the format. Receipts and payments account of any organization's name given, Royal Club, right here, in bracket for the year ended and given 31st December 2023. In receipts and payment account, there are 4 columns. In debit side, receipts, amount, and in credit side, payments, amount. Left hand side shows debit and right hand side shows credit. Okay. Receipts and payment account starts with opening balance. Opening balance is given, so right here on top to balance BD, opening cash, so write cash in hand, amount is 9,800. Okay. Subscription is revenue receipt recorded on debit side. To subscription 75,200. A specific donation, it is also receipt. A specific donation record on debit side 16,000. Entrance fee, this is also receipt, revenue receipt. Entrance fee amount is 8,600. Okay. Rent of club hall, this is also receipt, rent of club hall. Amount is 10,500. Electricity charges, charges means expense, that is payment, revenue payment recorded on debit credit side by electricity charge or charges. Amount is 7,000. Now salary and wages payment recorded on credit side by salary and wages. Amount is 45,000. Honorarium to secretary, this is payment record on credit side by honorarium, 5,000. Newspaper, we purchase newspaper and paid 2,000. This is payment by newspaper. Amount is 2,000. Interest on bank deposit, we received interest of bank deposit, receipt, revenue receipt record on debit side to interest on bank deposit. Okay, 1,000. Furniture purchase means we purchase furniture and paid, so this is payment by furniture. Amount is 2,000. Miscellaneous expense is expense means we paid 10,000 for miscellaneous expense. This is payment 10,000. Now we are going to balance. First we add of debit amounts and add of credit amounts. 1 second, students. We add debit amounts 9,800 plus 75,200 plus 16,000 plus 8,600 plus 10,500 plus 1,000. Debit total is 1,21,100. This is debit total. Now we add credit amounts 7,000 plus 45,000 plus 5,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,000 plus 10,000. Miscellaneous expense is 10,000, students. Miscellaneous expense 10,000 plus 10,000. Credit total is 71,000. Now we balance like cash book. Debit to excess of debit 1,21,100. Put this amount on both sides, 1,21,100. 1 sec. 21,100, and we balance in credit side by balance CD. If we start with opening cash in hand, then we close with opening cash. Sorry, we close with closing cash in hand. Now, what is the amount? To find the difference between these two amounts. 1 sec. 1,21,100 minus 71,000, and amount we find 50,100. This is the closing cash balance, 50,100. Okay, students. Thank you.